Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I got some packages to unbox. So we just gonna unbox those. And we'll start with this little one right here. Let's see. Let me get my knife and we'll see what's up. Alright, this thing I ordered. Alright. Bags too. Next is whatever this is. Yeah, I ordered a bunch of stuff. And now I don't even. Hey, alright, it's my X-Acto. That it? Yeah. Alright, hold on. Oh. I have no clue. Could be. Could be something from a long time ago. Could not be. So we'll fix and see. What? Alright, I guess we'll open it this way. Check this. Let me check and see what the heck this is. What? Oh! Yeah, okay. I thought it was breakable because they had it. Anyways, a bunch of Game Boy games. Everybody's got this in their collection. I don't. Dude, alright. Try those out later. Make sure they work. Now, let's get to the good stuff. Got this, man. I know who this is from. Shout out to Demo. Man, been waiting on this big homie. So, yo, shout out Demo. I know he watching my videos. Big Demo from the original Screwed Up Click, Mr. June 27th. Shout out him, man. I say the reason I do this one last because I saved the best for last. So, shout out to you, man. Hey, man, I know, speaking of Big Demo over there, Demo, I know a bunch of people, man, that, man, killed it. I don't even know if I want to use this, my man. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, what? Bruh. We be killing it, man. Hey, man. Say, man, when I go in the, hey, this is tight, man. Ooh. Hey, all y'all, if you from Houston or anywhere, that, man, matter of fact, man, he be doing a bunch of these, so hit him up, man. Dude, this is, I'm just saying, dude, this is like dope, man. I don't even know if I want to drink out of this, honestly, man. I just wanted to get one because it was dope. You know what I'm saying? So, Now that I got one, man, I don't. Anyway, like I said, shout out Big Demo, man. He watches all my stuff, man. So you know how to support and get this. If y'all don't know, man, I don't know how true this is, but I'll share this real quick before I get off here. An article I read online said Big Demo was in the studio and he slept. He took a nap during when Big Mo was supposed to come on June 27th, the song. Now, if you don't know, June 27th is Big Demo's birthday. I'm just educate y'all real quick. It's not Screw Day. It's not Screw's B-Day. The reason June 27th came out is because Demo, man. So, I don't know how true this is. Like I said, I don't know how true that part about him sleeping, taking a nap during Big Mo coming on at June 27th. But hey, man, if you're watching this, if it's not correct, correct everybody in the comments, man. So, again, bro, I'm probably just going to set this somewhere. Anyways, I'm going to get up out of here, man. That was it for now. Peace.